and the boot's already full of what's both annoying and dull. Don't let the bad feel the doubt. Find the good and turn it out. To the ones who stand on top, you're not an actor, that's not a prop. But before the shade starts creeping in, find some good and let it in. All we have is all that we would ever need. Here comes everybody. To the ones who talk too loud, who see followers where stands a crowd. We'd all tell them to shut up, but then we'd be wrong. If you've got some but good, you should probably just hold on. To the ones who choose to see the empire's shadow in democracy, don't blame the woods if the trees are dead. Push the good before you pull the thread. All we have is more than we would ever want or need. Here comes everybody. If you want somebody to follow, we will call you Father. But if you ask us to stand in line, well, maybe we won't bother. You could package up today and tell us it's tomorrow. But if you ever tell a lie, then your truth could sound hollow. If you want somebody to follow, we will call you Father. But if you ask us to stand in line, maybe we won't bother. You could package up today and tell us it's tomorrow. But if you ever tell a lie, then your truth would sound hollow. All we have is more than we would ever need. Here comes every note we play that sounds lazy, but the times, well, they are awaiting impatiently. Thank you very much. Enjoy the lads. The hardcore priest of Yemen, of course.